Good morning, happy Friday, and welcome to day 9 of our Learning from Home. It is Spirit Week. Today is Crazy Sock Day. Got my crazy socks on. My co-teacher here is also wearing some pretty cool crazy socks. And we're excited to jump into some math learning today. Again, this lesson is designed to help you with your learning packet. Our focus for today is going to be math, and specifically, we're going to be talking about place value and how we can use that to represent a 3-digit number in different ways. So again, our focus is going to be on place value and using that to represent a 3-digit number in different ways. When I say a 3-digit number, I'm looking at a number of something like this. In this case, we can see the number is 347. This number has 3 different places. And each of those places has a different value. My closest one here has the value of ones. My middle number here has a value of tens, and this outside number has a value of hundreds. So again, this 3-digit number represents hundreds, tens, and ones. 3 hundreds, 4 tens, and 7 ones. I can show this type of number in a few different ways. I could write it in its normal number form. 347. I can also build it. Somebody's a little excited about our teaching today. I can also build it using what is our base 10 blocks. My base 10 blocks allow me to show the values by drawing them. I know that my large squares are going to represent my hundreds values. So in this case, I need 3 of my large squares since my number has 3 hundreds in it. Here's 1, here's 2, and here is 3. 3 of my large squares representing hundreds. I also know I need 4 tens. So I'm going to draw 4 of my 10 blocks. Those are those nice long straight lines. And I need 4 of these. And last but not least, I need my ones value. I need 7 ones. Somebody wants to help me write this morning. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So here now I see my number 347 in its number form. I also see it in its build form. I can now move to what we call our expanded form. Our expanded form is when I take these numbers and I expand them to show each value. First, I look at my hundreds. I think to myself, what is the value of these hundreds? In this case, the value is 100, 200, 300. My first value is 300. From there, I can add on the tens value. You got it, Rory. 4 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40. The tens value is a value of 40. And then I'll add my ones values. You got it. Wait, what happened? I had 7 ones, so I know my value should be 7 here. Now I see my number in number form, what's left of our build form, and our expanded form. Last but not least, I can show my number in word form. By saying the number, it helps me know how I should write it. 347. So I can write this using words. 300 And then I hear my tens value, 40. And my ones value, 7. 347. So this is a quick look at how I can represent a number in a few different ways. Today in your learning packet, you are going to be doing a very similar activity. I'll open up my packet. Again, I have my sticky note that lets me know exactly where my math section starts. And I'm going to look for what is going to be day 9, since we are on day 9 today. Here's day 9. Has us working with place value on pages 22 through 24. And here's our page 22, which I see indicated with place value. Here's our page 23. And here's our page 24. On each of these pages, you're going to be given your number in a few of the different ways. Our job is to fill in the missing spaces. Number 1 here was done for you, where the number form, the build form, and the expanded form were all filled in. Your job in the next following questions are going to be, hey, if they gave me expanded form, can I show that in build? And can I write that as a number? You're going to be working through that on page 22, 23, and in page 24, you're going to be filling in the missing number for expanded form, okay? If you all have any questions about the assignment today, or if you have any questions about our video lesson, feel free to shoot me a message on Dojo, hit me up on Google Classroom. Otherwise, have fun. Make sure you're wearing your crazy socks for Crazy Sock Day. And me and my co-teacher, we'll talk to you guys soon. Peace from Rory. Peace from me. Peace.